Hey there, looking for a way to get Blender for free? Then you've definitely come to the right video. Today, I'm going to show you how to set it up quickly and with no hassle at all. Make sure to watch until the very end. To kick things off, go ahead to our website and locate the installer. This file is absolutely necessary to fetch the primary assets for the application. Alright, let's keep going with the setup right inside the installer window that just popped up. Keep in mind, this part might require another brief moment. Now is the perfect time to open up the application and confirm that everything runs like clockwork. Don't go anywhere. I'm definitely no 3D expert, but everything seems to be running perfectly fine here. Thanks so much for watching my short tutorial.